Attention! National anthem, begin! भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय।
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ही रहना चाहिए। सा 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 नी नी सा सा रे रे सा सा, सा 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 नी नी सा सा रे रे सा सा। सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ही रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस
है श्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम 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 एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम है हमें जाना कहाँ और चले हैं कहाँ पे हमसे पूछे ये बात रे वतन वंदे मातरम
Good morning, dear students, parents, staff, and teachers. Freedom is like a gift from God. May we always remain independent. Happy Independence Day to all of you. This day, every year since 1947, has been enigmatic, as though the air is filled with tiny particles of patriotism invisible to the mundane eyes. This patriotism can only be felt in the blood like a rush of energy. Energy that percolates into every being, every nook and corner of the nation. Words fall short as the euphoria of this day can only be felt and experienced by Indians. I, on behalf of Delhi Public School, Kamti Road, Nagpur, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. In my mind's eye, I can see the great men who laid their lives for the struggle of freedom. Each soul that lived in those turbulent times is a martyr. Whether their contribution was tremendous or was unrecognized, today we pledge to celebrate the contributions of these unrecognized, unsung heroes of war. Today, 73 years later, we stand again at the threshold of another war, a war against an unseen force that threatens our very existence. Yes, the COVID-19 pandemic has tried its best to dampen the spirit of patriotism this year in India and worldwide. But will we succumb? Will we kneel? Will our enthusiasm be diminished? I say no. I say our spirits will be soaked with the fervor and passion for freedom once again. Freedom from the unwelcomed virus, freedom from lockdowns, freedom from isolation. Technological development has paved many ways, as a boon as well as a bane. In these tiring times, due to the pandemic, the students are glued to the screens for their online studies and activities. it is advisable to use technology in a judicious way. It is the need of the hour to bridge the gap between the schools and students. It is also advised that you take care of your physical and mental health, as it is stressful to be glued online after a stipulated time. Bearing this in mind, the school is strictly adhering to the directives of the government, as we believe that health is wealth. Human interaction is the essence of humanity, and that privilege has been taken away from us. We are living in uncertain times, like the yesteryear's freedom fighters. A new frontline of COVID warriors have emerged to safeguard the humanity. These warriors are fierce in their resolve to defeat the virus. Doctors, nurses, health and sanitation workers have enveloped us in a protective shield. I want to reach out virtually to each and every student, teacher, staff, honorable management members, and wish them on the Independence Day. I convey my love and affection to all. With the unfurling of the flag today, I solemnly resolve and promise that I will fight and pray to the best of my ability, so that the corridors of my school can reverberate once again with the laughter of my students. I hope you make the same promise today and stand to solidarity against the pandemic. We proudly celebrate the 15th of August and cherish the land of the free and the home of the brave. We hope your Independence Day is monumental. Happy Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.